Okay, here we're looking at the underside of the lower polyphonic keyboard in the GX. These keyboards use a modular contact system that was used in various Yamaha organs at the same period. The contacts are on these plastic frames. This frames with 12 contacts for most of the octaves, and then the bottom octave has 13 contacts for the extra key. And these are stackable. So the polyphonic keyboards on the GX, the lower one just has two sets of contacts. There's one set of contacts that run to the lower keyboard scanning board, and another set that run to the upper keyboard scanning board, and they're only activated when you turn on the coupling switch. So I've done a board that has Hall effect sensors on it, and the Hall effect sensors give you a voltage output proportional to magnetic field strength. And then we have some modified contact strips that have magnets in a little 3D printed holder stuck on the bottom of each of the contacts. So what I can do is unscrew the original screws, holding the contacts on. These are going to come loose once the screws are out, obviously, although to some extent the wiring will hold them in place. So the top set of contacts has a plunger that goes up, that contacts the underside of the key. So when the keys are pressed, you'll see, if I press the key, you'll see the contact comes down there, or the plunger block comes down and presses all the contacts. So the extra contacts I'm going to add with the magnets on them just fit in the stack with the existing contacts. There's little locating pins on it to get them in the right place. Here's the other one. This job is a bit tricky, the very top one. And then the Hall sensor board goes on over the top of the contacts. We have longer screws to find the original hole in the metalwork. So this board has 24 contacts, or 24 sensors on it. It covers the top 2 octaves. Then there's another board that covers the next 2 octaves, and a final board that's this sort of main board with the processor on it that covers the lowest 13 notes. So it's not hugely complicated to install. There's a ribbon cable that plugs on there. Zoom out. You'll see the 3 boards that are on there. So just for demonstration purposes, I've got the MIDI output from this patched into the VP770, so you can hear. Velocity sensitivity.